Alright guys, we're actually gonna get a demonstration of this fan. We're gonna start all the way to low speed. It's at the bottom. The guy just turned it on.
There we go, low speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, low speed's at the it points down.
Well, it is a low.
Yeah.
I'll turn it up a little bit more. We get faster, slowly but surely.
Yeah. Alright, put it on high.
Yeah, high is it's all the way down before off. You might think it's right where it says high, but it's not.
It's like before turning it off.
Yeah, that's where high is. It's before turning it off. I'm starting to feel air movement from it.
Is this as fast as it goes?
Yeah, just about. Yeah, there's the highest setting.
I think it's a bad capacitor. It's supposed to go faster.
Yeah, it's supposed to go faster.
Alright, you can turn it off now.
Yeah, you can turn it off now.
Thank you.
Oh, here's that.
Alright, that's it.